Howdy y'all, Fast Forwards 289, welcome back. Check this thing out. I happened to go by Tractor Supply today and I found this thing. This thing is so cool. Porter cable, I love porter cable tools, you know, and I was just going through Tractor Supply looking around and I seen this thing sitting there and I was like, oh, that's cool as hell. I had to get it. And it was only 60 bucks. I mean, that ain't bad. Auto darkening. See right there, auto darkening. It's got a nice finish. They had this one here, and then they had one where the gray and red was flip-flopped. So like this would all be gray, then this would be red. I like this one better. It's got a nice headband. I will say it seems a little tight on my head on the side part, but that's fine. You know, I don't do a whole lot of welding, so it's fine for what I do. It's got a nice screen. It's got adjustments in there for all your sensitivity and whatnot. Batteries, your dial, and this thing it's pretty cool. I don't know how well you can see through this thing, but I'll give you an idea how it looks. See, look at there, that thing is cool. Anyway, but that's it. I just wanted to get on here and ask, have y'all seen these things? These things are nice. I like it. I'm glad I bought it, and I've already tried it out. You know, messed around a little bit here in the shop with a piece of scrap steel laying around. Works good. I'm happy with it. And it even comes with extra glass. So if this one here gets worn out, you can replace it. So that's pretty cool. Anyway, y'all comment down below and tell me what y'all think. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, consider subscribing. I'd appreciate it. I'll see y'all on the next one. Take care.